sit down and cover up with the blanket. Go sit down there and cover up with the blanket. No? Look, here comes my foot. Watch, Hank. Did the camera distract you? Go sit down there at the end and let's show Sarah. Go sit down there and we'll show Sarah. Go sit down there and cover up. Oh, shoot. Again?